Good evening, this is Jan. Welcome to my kitchen. Right here I got some nice Dutch new herring because I want to make a herring salad. I ordered the herring with raw onions, which is very common, but I haven't decided yet if I'm going to use these onions in the salad. I'm going to start with the sauce. First step is some preparations with capers. I'm going to slice these, chop these into small pieces. So the basis for the sauce is tartar sauce. Quite a lot. Then a little bit of mustard as well. Then I'll add the capers. Plus 2 beautiful herbs. Oregano and thyme. To get a little bit of that Mediterranean flavor, which I like so much. Then I'm going to stir this thoroughly. The vegetables, spring onion. I'm a big fan, as you probably know, so I'm going to use quite a lot. I'm going to chop these up quite roughly. Couple of medium-sized cocktail tomatoes, which I'm gonna chop up randomly. Just let your knife run through them. Plus 2 dill pickles. Why not? Because of the acidity, because that means freshness. Slice these kind of evenly. The star of the dish, Dutch new herring, season 2024. I'm gonna get rid of the fish bone and the tail, which is very easy. Oh, there's already almost no fish bone, so it makes it more easy for me. I didn't know this. Then I will slice these in small strips so that's more easy to work with. Something like this. It's time to build the salad, so I'm gonna throw everything in here. Tomatoes, spring onion, dill pickles, plus black olives, and of course the raw onion. Gonna use this, why not? This I'm gonna give a good stir so that all the flavors will blend into one big flavor. And then I place the pieces of Dutch new herring just randomly in there. gonna spread a little bit so that everything gets divided evenly. A little bit of salt. And some more black pepper. I mean, not some more, but enough. I love black pepper. What about everything? The final touch is sprinkling the tartar sauce in there. A little bit here, a little bit there. Dutch New Herring Summer Salad of the year 2024. I'm ready for this. Oh yeah, that sauce is perfect. Briny caper stuff together with the tartar sauce, then piece of new herring, with tomato, and then of course spring onion, for spice, plus the black olive. Nice combination. I like it. Almost forgot about the dill pickles. Yeah. Here I got two. I mean, two slices. Such a beautiful combination. With the brininess, saltiness of the herring. Now you can eat this with a slice of bread. White bread is the best alternative. Brown bread, rye bread is also nice. Two dill pickle slices, one piece of herring. Really, that sauce matches perfectly with the herring, because the sauce is a little creamy. I mean, after all, it is tartar sauce. Almost everything in one bite. I want to thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one, and remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.